Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up Verizon Business Internet Gateway. Setting up your Verizon Business Internet Gateway is usually a simple plug-and-play process, starting with unboxing the device and placing it in an optimal location such as central, open area to ensure the best possible signal coverage, then attaching any included antennas, if your model has them, before connecting the power adapter and turning the unit on. Once powered up, make sure all required cables are properly connected, especially the internet, linked to your network source if applicable, and wait a few minutes for the gateway to fully boot and establish a connection. After that, download and open the My Verizon app on your phone, sign in with your business account, and follow the in-app setup instructions while ensuring the gateway is powered on so it can be detected manually or automatically for activation. You can then connect your devices using the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password found on the label of the gateway, or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable wired connection. If the device doesn't activate automatically, you may need to complete the activation through Verizon support. And once everything is running, you can manage settings like Wi Fi name, password, and security options by logging into the gateway through its IP address in a browser or directly through the app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.